Hi guys, welcome back to Websense Pro. I'm your host Bilal Nasir, and today we are with another tutorial, Shopify tutorial, where I'll teach you guys how you can edit the success message of your contact form. So whenever someone submits a form, it shows a success message. And recently, we received an inquiry where the customer wanted to customize the success message and change the coloring and stuff, etc. So I'm gonna teach you guys how. In order to learn, please stick to the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel so you can be notified whenever I create new video. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So guys, this is the contact form of our Shopify store, and when someone submits a form, they see a text message like this where it says thanks for contacting us, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So in order to change the text, I'm going to show you where you can edit this text. Also, I'll be teaching you guys how you can change the color, and if you want to add any link to the success message, how you can do that. So let's go back to our Shopify backend and first learn how to change it on a text label. So how if you're just looking to change the text of the success message, you can do that really easily by going to the Shopify backend, click on online store, and from online store click on actions and then edit languages. From edit languages, in filter items, search for contact form. Let's search for contact actually, and from there search for contact form. Where's the form? Scroll down to the bottom and here you will find contact form under templates, and in there you have post success. So if you want to change the text of the success message, you can simply change the text here and it will be updated on our success message. So let's put it, thanks for contacting Websense Pro. Now hit save. And now try submitting a contact form again. Oops, so I just hit refresh and it showed the new success message. Let's try going back to contact page and try submitting the form. First name, that's her email, and add any comment here so we can just test it. Okay, now hit send. So I have added a captcha as well. Here you go. As you can see, our success message has been updated. Now, what if you want to change the color of this success message? For example, if you have a black background color on your pages and when someone hit the send button, it does not show any text because it's a black background and black text won't be visible, and you want to change the coloring of your success message. In order to do that, go back to Shopify backend, click on online store, and from there go to the activated theme, click on actions and then edit code. Before editing the code, make sure to have a duplicate of your theme, so if you break anything you can easily revert it back. So now click on edit code, and from edit code search for contact form. Let's try searching form. Here you have contact-form.liquid. Just go to that liquid file and now search for success message. So here we have the code for the success message. So that's where it's displaying the text which we changed from our languages. So that's the liquid code which is responsible to display our success message here. In order to change the coloring of it, what we're going to do, we'll just add a custom class. So that's the class where we can add custom success message. So that's our class. Hit save. And now just copy the class and add it to your CSS file. Go to the base.css file and add in some CSS in order to change the coloring. So that's our base.css file, and I'm going to go to the bottom and just paste your class. Okay guys, so in this class I'll add some properties. So just try the changing font color for now. Let's make it color red, and font size, make it a little more bigger by like 16 pixel, and hit save. And make sure that we have saved it here as well. Custom success message, the file is already saved. And then now hit refresh. And here you go. As you can see, the font color, and let me check why the font size is not updated yet. It should be a little bigger. So that's our class, and that's the properties which we added. Yep, it's working. So if we increase the font size to 22 pixel now from base.css and hit save and hit refresh, we will see that our font color and font size has been updated by the custom class which we added in contact-form.liquid file. So that's it for the tutorial, guys. You can do the same with the newsletter form. So all you gotta do is go to online store and click on actions and then edit languages. And in there's a separate tab for newsletter. Here's the tab for newsletter where you can simply change the success message. And if you are looking to customize the font size and color for the success message, you can simply search for the newsletter liquid file. So I'm going to go to edit code again. Here we have newsletter.liquid file. And here if we search for, as you can see, we have success message showing up here. Form errors, form posted successfully. So line number 66 for contact form newsletter, and that's our success message. That's the liquid code for success message, as you can see here. So we'll simply do the same thing here. We will add the class and then add some CSS properties with that class in our base.css file. Similarly, how we do it contact form. In contact form, we did it in line number 26 for Dawn theme, and in newsletter.liquid file, we did it in line number 66. Easiest way to find the line number is search for success fully, where you can easily find the line number where you need to add the class name to update the font size and colors. If you want to add links, you can do that as well. You cannot add the href link in theme settings in languages. If you will add a link here by adding a href is equal to and your custom link, it won't work because HTML is not acceptable here. You will have to add the HTML in .liquid file. So for example, if you're doing it in case of contact form, you can simply add the link after this success message here. So I'm gonna add my link here and test link, and let's save. And now when I refresh, I'll see an option of a link. As you can see, we have added the link, and when you click here, it will be redirected to that page. So that's it for the videos, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I personally got this request from a customer, and I thought I should share this information with you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next video, have a great day.